Hi everyone, my name's Barbara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if it's your first time here. I make Excel videos. So let's get started with today's and we're going to look at slicers. So if you've heard of slicers, it's probably because you've used them with pivot tables. But actually they're really useful for Excel data tables as well. So if you don't like using filtering like this, what you can actually do is you can use slicers. So the first thing you have to do is select your data, and we want to convert this into a data table to get that functionality. So what you can do is you can hit Control T and then you can create a table. Confirm your table has headers, and this will take the first line of your data as the headers. If you didn't want to use the shortcut Control T, you can actually put your cursor inside the data and then insert table, and it takes you to the same pop-up menu. So now we have an Excel data table. So we can still use the traditional filtering. But what we can do now is go and insert a slicer. It looks just like you get for a pivot table, and we can now have a slicer for the manufacturer, the model and the fuel. And just like in an Excel pivot table, you can now use slicers. The only thing you have to remember is you have to convert your data into a table to get that functionality. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time for another video.